Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at unboxing the 2011 reissue of the Tamiya Classic, the Blitzer Beetle. So as you can see, true to Tamiya form, it's got the nice box art, nice classic box art there. And the side of the box that shows some of the features of the Blitzer Beetle. The other edge of the box, and let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, so the Blitzer Beetle comes with a hard plastic body of a VW Bug, windows, driver, miscellaneous parts for the chassis, comes with the electronic speed controller. This is the, I believe, TBLE02, which is kind of par for the course with the newer Tamiya kits. Bag of hardware, springs and other parts. Plastic antenna, tubing. It's got these bright orange wheels. Nice off-road buggy type tires. The front of the Tamiya body in bright orange again. More parts. Some of the bumper pieces and other things. More parts trees. Gears, and the tub chassis. And that's all that comes with the reissue of the Tamiya Blitzer Beetle. Thanks for watching.